Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of computer chips. Have you ever wondered what these tiny powerhouses are made of? Well, you're in the right place because we're about to uncover everything you need to know. So, what are computer chips made of anyway? These little marvels that power our laptops, smartphones, and more are crafted from a blend of incredible materials. First up, silicon and plastic. Yes, you heard that right. The backbone of computer chips is silicon, a semiconductor obtained from silica sand or quartz. Silicon's unique properties make it perfect for creating transistors, those tiny switches that amplify electrical signals and perform logic operations. But wait, there's more. To ensure there's no short-circuiting, we need insulation. That's where silicon dioxide comes in, acting as a protective layer. And the metal wires? Well, they're often made of copper or aluminum. Copper isn't a must, but it helps electrons move faster. Now, here's a fun fact. While you might think modern chips are all about lasers, many are still made using photolithography, a technology dating back to 1958. But how are these computer chips actually made? They're born in high-tech fabrication plants known as fabs. Sand is melted and refined to create pure silicon ingots, which are then sliced into wafers. These wafers go through a meticulous process in a clean room environment to ensure they remain free from contamination. During photolithography, a photosensitive chemical called photoresist is used to create intricate patterns on the chip. Etching, doping, and layering of metal follow to create the chip's circuitry. It's like creating a tiny, complex landscape on a silicon canvas. And once the chips are ready, they go through rigorous testing. Bad chips are tossed aside while the good ones get packaged up for our devices. But here's the exciting part. Chip technology is evolving. We're not just sticking with silicon anymore. In 2019, researchers started exploring carbon nanotubes, super thin materials that could make chips faster and more energy efficient. And then there are nanomagnetic chips, using tiny magnets to store data. These chips are smaller, consume less power, and are even radiation resistant, making them ideal for space missions. So what's next in the future of chip manufacturing technology? Experts predict 3D printing will revolutionize the process, allowing for more accurate, precise, and complex chip production. And brace yourselves for quantum computing. This mind-blowing tech can solve complex problems in seconds by utilizing superpositioning, where data exists as both 0 and 1 simultaneously. Plus, the scarcity of silicon chips may become a thing of the past as silicon-based quantum computers become more common, making quantum logic functions a reality. So there you have it, folks. Computer chips, a marvel of modern technology, are made from a blend of materials that keep evolving. The future is promising, and who knows what incredible chips will power our devices in the years to come. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the amazing world of technology.